Hi everyone, I want to welcome you to one of Cambridge Montessori's lower elementary classrooms. My name is Shayna. I'm one of 4 lower elementary teachers here at this level. In Montessori, lower elementary is 1st, 2nd, and 3rd grades together. The idea being that children work in a 3-year cycle where they start as novices in the classroom, they learn to take on leadership roles, and by the time they leave our classroom, they're really experts and sort of almost acting as other teachers in the classroom. In addition, in a Montessori classroom, it's really important that we always use materials or manipulatives to teach concepts. So behind me, you're looking at one curriculum area that is for our math. And the idea is that it's going to start with materials that are the most concrete and move to the most abstract. So throughout their years, children are working with a variety of materials, but they're working with greater depth each time as they move along. One of the greatest strengths in Montessori is our ability to individualize the curriculum to really fit with the child's learning style and their abilities. So children come into us at a variety of levels, and the lovely thing about Montessori is that there is a material or a modification that's going to be able to help children find the content more accessible. Equally important to us are children's social emotional development. If children are not emotionally able to engage with content, nothing is going to be learned. So this year we've definitely had to make some modifications. Our traditional Montessori classroom would encourage collaboration and kids working together as closely as possible. And so this year we've had to be really thoughtful about how to redesign our space so it's still usable for children and they can still have a Montessori experience while we are keeping them safe. Part of that has been modifying their workspaces so that each child has an individual work area that is at least 6 feet from the next child. The other thing that we've been utilizing a bunch is our outdoor space. We are having as many lessons, lunch, snack, recess, gym, as much time as possible we are spending outside. I hope that this has given you a nice sneak peek into our classroom space and a little bit of information about the lower elementary level of Montessori. We hope that you will seek us out, ask more questions, and thank you for visiting.